What's happening, you hip cool cats? My name is Kit, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. And it's long overdue that we have a follow-up to the wonderful hero in the country known as Japan, Chainsaw Man. And this is Season 1, Episode 4, titled The Rescue. Now, where we last left off, our protagonist, he was in a fight for his life against that wicked, ugly vampire demon that ate Meowers. I mean, come on, that's not cool. You can't eat that Kit Kat, you know? The kitty cat, you know? You have a Kit Kat bar, but you can't eat this Kit Kat, so there you go. And don't eat cats in general, so there you go. But apparently this monster, this demon, is going toe-to-toe with the Chainsaw Man, and we're going to find out what's going to happen afterwards. I mean, this episode is titled Rescue. Already, I'm loving this series. Everything about it. I love its crude humor. I love that it actually crosses boundaries and it doesn't hold anything back. And it's refreshing to watch this. So I'm excited about this. Please type in your thoughts about this series in the comment section below. I want to get your feedback so that way we can have a robust conversation about the noble warrior known as the Chainsaw Man. So there you go. But hey, we're not here to listen to me talk. We're here to watch and enjoy a great series. So, grab a tasty snack, grab a tasty beverage. Let's sit back, relax, and enjoy episode 4 of Season 1, The Chainsaw Man. So, since I'm in charge of the ones and twos, there you go. And let's hit a play button. Ugh. Yo, Power, what are you doing?
猫を殺されたくなければ人間を連れてこい。
木じゃ味も匂いも死を感じるのも、それで最近初めて分かったんじゃ。血は温かくて。
Oh. Ugh. Ah! No. Wait. Hold on. Seriously, my man was like... All right, hey, you know what? He was honest for his reasons. So I will not fault him on that. In fact, I'll give him a pass. Oh my god. Alright, Meowers, Meowie, this is safe. What? It's okay, dude. Just calm down. Breathe. Oh! Oh! What the hell just happened? What the hell just happened? Oh, God. Not enough chainsaw. Huh? Oh, what a gross creature. Hold on, I forget. Can he regenerate? Because, the first time we saw him die, he got chopped up and then, his puppers saved his life, and put his heart into him and he was able to regenerate all of his body parts. But what the hell? No, it's more than... Oh, my God. I'm not dying before I cop a feel. Come on. Get him. That's right, go. Oh, no. Holy shit.
こいつは昼の悪魔だね。飲み込んでいい？
よし。君の事情聴取。猫は動物病院で健康じ。お前の腕
Found your arm.
拾っておいたぞ。輸血したらくっついたらしい。本当に悪魔みたいなやつだな。てめえだ。
Ah, so when he was making that logo at the end credit, I guess that's a symbol for his fox demon to eat us. Or the opening credits.
チェンソーの人に直接お会いしたいと。
ありがとう。
Aw.
悪魔に会社で食っちまうぞって言われて逃げたんですけど、よく見れば公安の服を着ていたし、お礼を言いたくて。
Aw.
男の命なんて知るかって。悪魔が俺ごと車を投げたんだ。チェンソーが頭に刺さって。
お前はバカでガキで道徳がない。
Your dumbass was a personal clue about right and wrong.
社会正義を持っているつもりだ。
俺マジでやっからさ。
Good. Good.
ほんと期待しといてくれ。
And that's all I need to hear. If I was one of the higher ups, I'd be like, you know what? He just made a silly old mistake. That's all. Boys will be boys.
考えといてやるよ。
That's all right. You don't need to learn manners. Manners. Who needs them? Who needs them? Hold on. I just like that shot right there. There's something I like about seeing scenic views. So when I was staying in Japan, I was in Tokyo, Kyoto, and Hiroshima. And I'm proud to say in all the hotel rooms that I was at, I had some great evening views of all three of those cities that I was staying in. And I hope to have that feeling again someday soon in the future. It was it's a beautiful sight. I hope all of you do get a chance to someday visit Japan. That's right. I want you, talking to you, to visit Japan someday.
ケンジはチェーンソーとなってコウモリの悪魔を駆除後、今度はヒルの悪魔の襲撃を受けましたが、こちらは我々4課が駆除しました。またコウモリヒルからは共に銃の肉片は発見されませんでした。報告は以上です。
知らず知らずのうちにそんなに遠くまで行っちゃったんだね。
奴らは信じがたいほどのバカですから。
巡回エリア内からの逸脱は違反行為だけど。
今回は死者も出ませんでしたし、結果として悪魔2体の駆除もできましたから、不問にしてよろしいかと。
Oh, now he's covering for them.
早川くんも少し
You seem a little more flexible now. Uh-oh.
デンジ君と一緒に住んでる影響かな。
Perfect. Perfect. Beautiful. Make that coffee, man. There you go. Oh, I like this. Great scene. Nice. I'm really digging this animation in here. I'm so... What's for lunch?
彼、
Curry.
狭い家じゃのう。
Oh, what?
早川くんちの部屋一つ。
I think you put
お
power
ばあちゃんに貸してほしい。
in one of your rooms. What? Is there a reason?
やばいやつばかり集めるんですか。
Sorry.
私が早川くんを
It's because I trust you more than anyone else.
おい俺の最強だぞ。
ずっとこっちに住ま
Oh, you covered for them and now you're stuck with both of them. Oh, bro, I'm so sorry.
野菜は嫌いじゃん。
忍者野菜を投げるな。
てめえ野菜作った農家
So,
に
next to the farmer.
トイレクソ
Notice, Denji's agreeing with him, right? And Denji's as lazy as it can get. No offense to Denji, you're still part of my roster, but man. Wow, now they're calling out Power. Power is making Denji seem like a dedicated member to society.
流せねえのか悪魔は。
What's the toilet?
最後の小寿司
おいウル
あ、おいクソ悪魔。てめえのクソこびりついて
Hey, shit devil, your turds are stuck to the damn toilet and won't come off. Oh. Uh, Yo,
あ
約束だったじゃろ。
we had a deal, did we not?
胸を揉ませてやるから。にゃーこを助けたのが一もみ。
Okay,
コウモリを殺したので二もみ。
2,
そしてちょんまげからわしをかばってくれたので三もみじゃ。
3.
天使
So I was told to watch all the end credits because all the end credits, the music is different, the animation's different. So I apologize for not noticing that in the last 3 episodes. So follow through is key, folks, and I will watch them. Today's episode, we learned about follow through and commitment, consent, understanding, working together, and forgiveness. We've seen Denji and Power work together. They both made a promise to each other. And look, let's face it, Meowie is safe too, and their colleague actually looked out for them. And now all 3 of them are living together, and they shall form a triple threat to all the demons and monsters that are threatening humanity. I have to say, again, this series Chainsaw Man has earned a place in my heart, just like how Chainsaw Pupper is in Denji's heart too. Literally and figuratively, you know, there you go. But I really enjoyed this episode. Again, Season 1, Episode 4, The Rescue, or Rescue. It was a rescue. People worked together, and the mission was accomplished. So, what lies in store for our characters? Will there ever be a threat that will rise up like how we see in these typical anime series, or will these just be one-off adventures showing, some of their trials and tribulations? I'm very curious if there's anything that I've missed in the last 3 end credit scenes. Please share it with me, folks, because, I was told that, hey, yo, Chainsaw Man, the end credits, always different. So I'm going to make that promise to have follow-through on my end to watch them all. And I'm curious more to learn more about the series, too. Yes, we do read the comment section below and on our YouTube channel, so please, audience, share them with us. We'd like to get your thoughts, your feedback, but no spoilers. Come on. Don't be a square. Be a hip, cool cat. Just kind of give us like little tidbits, little secret pieces of information. Some like, hey, heads up, you might know about this thing, but don't give too much away because that's not cool. And we are always grateful to have your support. So if you want to know when we upload new content, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that ring bell notification. That way you're made aware of what we upload. Please, again, consider being a supporter to our channel and check out our Discord. And so without further ado, I want all of you, no matter where you're at in this part of the world, be it morning, afternoon, or evening, keep on winning and always follow through with your promises and believe in your dreams. Denji has a dream, and I believe in it too. There you go. I'm out of here.